జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. కిష్కింధాకాండ. So much of humbleness, Hanuma did namaskaram to Rama Lakshmana and started speaking to them very softly. Hanuma, whatever he is speaking, it is sounding so sweet. Hanuma is now appreciating, praising Rama and Lakshmana. Such a great warrior and Vayuputra Hanuma is now behaving as and how Sugriva ordered. Hanuma is now inquiring about Rama and Lakshmana with all of his humbleness and with all of his respect. He is asking now, Rajarshi Deva Pratimau, you are looking like Rajarshis, you are looking like Devatas. Kauyuvam, who are you? You are glowing with so much of tejas. What was the reason for you to reach this Pampa river? Dhairyavantau, you both are looking so brave. Suvarnabhau, your bodies are glowing like gold. Kauyuvam, who are you? Chiravasasau, you are wearing Naravastras. Nisvasantau, you look so tired because you have been around so many forests. You are looking like that. Varabhujau, your shoulders are looking so strong. Simha Viprekshitau, your looks are like lion's looks. Simhati Balavikramau, you are looking, you have strength more than a lion. And also you are wearing Sakra Chapa Nibhe Chape. You are wearing powerful bows and arrows. Srimantau Rupa Sampannau Dyutimantau, you are looking so bright. You are looking so wealthy. Both of your bodies are glittering and glowing. Kauyuvam, who are you? With your brightness, with your light which is coming out of your body, this entire circumstances including Rishyamoka Parvatam, everything is glowing because of the glow, because of the light that is coming from you. You both are looking like Surya and Chandra. You both are looking like Devatas but in the form of humans. Who are you? Why did you come here? Like this, Hanuma inquiring Rama and Lakshmana, also asking that, how did you come here? Ayatascha, you have lengthy shoulders. Suvrittascha, very great physique you have. And also your shoulders would look so magnificent if they are decorated with the ornaments. Sarvabhushana bhusharhaha kimardham na vibhushitaha. But you are wearing no ornament at all. Why? Ubhau yogyavaham manye rakshitam prudhivim imam. You both are looking like such a great people who can rule this entire earth which is filled up with all the oceans and great forests and Vindhya, Meru, such a great mountains. This entire earth can be ruled by you. You look like that. You look such a qualified people like. Who are you? Your dhanus, your bow is looking like Devendra's Vajrayudham. And your arrows, Svesadbhihi iva pannagaihi, as and how a snake breathes heavily, that is how your arrows are looking. Who are you? Why are you wearing such a powerful bows and arrows? While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. రామ రామ దశరథ రామ 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 దశరథ రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే సీతారామ హే హే సీతారామ. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.